so glad I don't need to go back to that place. What are you doing? What are you doing? I just started recording. Don't take the piss, just say school's fun. Come on, we need to be ad friendly. Come on. What? Oh. Alright, you dafties. Welcome to a new video on the channel. We're going to be doing back to school shoes. I'm going to talk to you guys over what shoes I feel would be best for school, for back to school, both US and UK, because UK we are very unprivileged to be having the rule of all black shoes, while the US can just go. So there is different ones. We're going to start off with the UK ones, so let's jump into it. 4. The black Adidas Falcons they contain a mix of materials being suede and mesh. The price of them being on average is $85. The website you can get them from are Shoe, or you can go online, you can go in store, buy them. I think you can get them at JD as well. This is for UK folks. Black Falcons, very nice school shoe, all black, that's what we need here. Very comfy as well. You can't really go wrong with them. It's a chunky shoe, so it still fits the kind of trend that we're going through right now. The trend that will continue through 2020. I can't see much wrong with these, so I definitely recommend them. For the price they're a wee bit dearer, but it's a very good shoe, very good quality, and it's Adidas. You can't really go wrong with Adidas, so I don't not recommend it. So if you want a nice pair of shoes, the Falcon is a very good one. 3. Burger King Food Lettuce. Joking. Black old school Vans. I know you guys are going to throw hate at me, but these have been extremely popular. They always are popular. Usually it's old school with black and whites, but since it's back to school, what sells right now is the fabric black, all black. For as much as everyone wears them, they are a good shoe, they're very comfy, and they do last a while, very good quality. It's a fabric material, so to protect it in the weather, because it is the UK, the weather is definitely not the best. It's one day we have a heat wave, the next we're back in winter. Like, it's just, to protect them, use sprays. You could use like crepe, Sneakers ER, Rejuvenator, yeah, and it would work. I'm not affiliated by anything, but go on Sneakers ER please, like, just hit me up. The Vans are 60, so the Vans aren't actually that bad for price. Next, shoe. The Adidas Ultra Boost, all black with the gold Ultra Boost logo. Ultra Boosts, yeah, love-hate relationship. Ultra Boosts were one of the most popular shoes. See, you put them in your title and thumbnail in 2017 and you would get views, but now you get nothing from them. A very stylish shoe, very comfortable, and although not a lot cheaper, but cheaper than Yeezys, and well, Ultra Boosts, I just prefer them. Not that I'm saying Yeezys are bad, don't hate me, don't come for me, just Adidas Ultra Boosts are good. If you're looking for a shoe that's on the dearer side, but it's not too dear, then Ultra Boost is definitely the way to go. You will get mad gamer points for wearing them. Those were 149. Last, the saviour of this list is the Air Force 107 blacks. I love them so much. I love Air Forces, but these are the all black leather ones. To be honest, just a full on leather shoe you can't really go wrong with. Great quality, they last forever. Just, I can't really fault them. They're amazing. With the price point of being 75, they are a bit dearer, but if you're going to go for an old school, then why not just bump it up to an Air Force? Air Force is a lot better, and plus it's part of the trends going on there now. Just Air Forces can be used for anything. Black can be worn with anything as well, so you can not only just wear them for school, you can wear them for everything after it. I don't know if you're going like Patreon or something again, when you're a wee rave or something. Right, to the jammy Americans, yous are allowed to wear whatever, and I still didn't like these for it. But if we're going to go wear shoes, I've got 4. a bit higher price point, but you have a lot more style and a lot more wanted shoes in a sense. We're going to start off with number 4, the Comme des Garçons multi-logo white Converse high tops. This is the one with the hearts on the side. It's just Comme des Garçons Converse, yeah, they're overworn, but it's a lot of the old styles you see. It's the one with the big heart. These are a wee bit different, and to be honest, I just love them, especially with the different shades on the sole and the upper. And £110, not sure what that is US, 2 about $133. That's just a rough estimate, but obviously it would be a different price. It's not too bad, and to be honest, if you're going to get them, just flaunt it. This doesn't have to be like part of the really hyped outfit. It can just be a staple piece because they're so clean. Just wear it with whatever. And to be honest, yeah, so it's really good quality. Comme des Garçons give you some clout, and yeah. Next, number 3, the Yeezy 500 salts. I need to get some Yeezys in here so I can get some clickbait. Joking, not clickbait tags. That's one. The Yeezy 500 is a very nice silhouette, but the colours were kind of a bit off. I like the blacks, but the salts are one of my favourites. The only thing about them obviously is they have the higher retail. These are coming off of stock X, and the price in the US is $278, which, to be honest, if you're a big baller, big spender, you will be able to buy, and you're not going to get much better for that price point. I do recommend it. Very nice shoe. Just I'm so jealous. I just wish we were able to do it, but we're not. Next, a bit dearer is the Jordan 1 Retro NYC to Paris OG Defiance. It's the scrapable shoes. I can't really flaunt them. I can't really diss them. They have obviously this colourway, and they have the Lakers colourway. The only reason I put this colourway in is because it's still nice, but the Lakers colourway is a lot dearer. $385. It's dear, but I know there is some big spender over there, and you will go for them. It's just a Jordan 1, so good quality leather, very good quality on this shoe as I've heard. The colour scheme, brilliant. See when you just scratch them off a tiny bit, oh, they look so nice. Jordan 1, if you've not had a pair of Jordan 1s before, definitely try them. Maybe not these ones if you want to go for a cheaper price range, but just try a pair of Jordan 1s, you will be forever changed. Lastly, we have the Nike Times Para SB Dunks. These are, oh my god, these are beautiful. I missed them on Nike sneakers, but if you were going to school, if you're wanting a pair of school shoes, these are $115. Give or take, it's just a rough estimate. They're so beautiful. I can't. Just the white colour scheme with the blue, the pink and the reddish tint wool on the Nike tip. It just throws everything off and just makes it look so stylish. Price range is not actually that bad either, and that was the video. If you guys want to follow my Instagram, Jack_Nisbet and Diabetus_shoes. If you guys want to like the video, if you enjoyed it, and dislike if you don't, but tell me in the comments why you didn't. But if you guys did enjoy the video, let me know in the comments why, or just even if you want to talk, I'll be down there to chat. But please subscribe, it does mean a lot. 30 subs, I'm hoping to get up and up, because I'm uploading a lot more now. I say that, but I'll not be back for a couple of weeks now. I will be uploading. So if you guys enjoyed the content, please just show me support, and I'm trying to do a lot better with this. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace.